Students, today we are learning how to compare the given fractions by cross multiplication method. You know that cross multiplication method is applied generally when neither the numerators nor the denominators are same. But let me tell you that it is one such method which can be applied in all the situations. That means when either the numerators are same or the denominators are same. There also we can apply cross multiplication method. But we generally avoid it because in this method we are required to make some calculations. And in these two situations we can compare the given fractions by observation only. So that is why we avoid it. But it can be applied in the other two situations also. So what have I told you? That when fractions being compared neither have same numerators nor have same denominators, then we use cross multiplication method. Now let me explain how this method is applied. Just observe, 5/8 is to be compared with 6/11. So, what do we find? That neither the numerators nor the denominators are same. So, what are we going to do? We are going to apply cross multiplication method. So, as the name suggests, we will be using the symbol of cross and then we are going to multiply some terms. But let's see which terms will be multiplied with the other one. So let me put this symbol of cross first of all. And I also put arrows to show you the movement of two terms. Now listen everybody, remember it this way, that the numerator on the left side and the numerator on the right side of this box, both of them are really very adamant. They are not ready to change their places. So, these easy-going and flexible denominators, they get ready to change their place. That means 11 will move towards 5, the numerator on the left side of the box, and the denominator 8 gets ready to move towards 6, the numerator on the right side of the box. And then we are going to multiply these terms. So let's do it. The numerator 5 on the left side gets multiplied with the denominator here. So 5 into 11, and on the right side of the box we have 6, and 6 will be multiplied by 8. Now the product of these two numbers will be called cross products because we have crossed these numbers like this. So 5 into 11 gives us 55 and 6 into 8 gives us 48. Now remember my dear children, the fraction having greater cross product would be greater. So which fraction is having greater cross product? It is 55 which is greater. So 5 by 8 will be greater than 6 by 11. Students, let's do some practice and gain proficiency in this method. The question is, compare the fractions using cross multiplication method. Now what do we see? 7 by 9 is to be compared by 10 by 11. Now we know that neither the numerators nor the denominators are same, and that is why we are using cross multiplication method. So let's draw the symbol of cross and put the arrows. Now these arrows actually show the movement of the denominator 9 towards 10 and the movement of denominator 11 towards 7, as these numerators are never ready to change their places. So what do? We multiply So what do we observe? That fraction 10 by 11 has greater cross product. So that means this fraction is greater than 7 by 9. Isn't it easy, my dear children? So let's move to the next part. Now we are comparing the fraction 9 twelfths with 8 tenths. So again, I put this symbol of cross and draw the arrows accordingly. On the right side, we are going to write 9 multiplied by 10. On the right. On the left side, I write 9 multiplied by 10. And on the right, I am writing 8 multiplied by 12. So 9 times 10 gives us 90 and 8 times 12 gives us 96. So on which side do we have the greater cross product? The right side, that means the fraction 8 by 10 is greater than 9 by 12. And the crocodile, as usual, is very greedy and it opens its mouth towards the greater fraction. Let's move to the next part. Here we are comparing 6 by 9 with 4 by 6. So we draw the arrows to show the movement of the denominators, and on the left side we write 6 multiplied by 6, and on the right side I write 4 multiplied by 9. 6 times 6 is 36. 4 times 9 again gives me 36. So what do I find? That both the cross products are equal. That means these two fractions are also equal. So I hope that this practice would have surely helped you in understanding this method better, in a better way rather. So students, I'll take leave of you and hope to see all of you in my next video.